Alright guys, I'm awake. I've been up since 5:30. It's now 8 o'clock. Just been laying in bed scrolling on my phone. Just got dressed. I'm not quite ready, so I do my hair, brush my teeth, but I eat breakfast first. Sean's still in bed sleeping, but he doesn't have to be up for another hour and a half for work, so and he's working from home. I was gonna try to get out to the school administration building this morning to get all the paperwork for Skylar for the high school, so I don't have to worry about it over the summer. But Sean didn't get out. I don't know where it's at. Ooh, you can't even see me. Nope, there's Sean's alarm. He must be waking up now. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning up this kitchen and then make breakfast. This place is trashed. Alright, and I have to edit the video still from yesterday, so. Alright, let me go find some food. Alright, video is edited. Bills are paid. I gotta put this in the mailbox. It's for Sean's car payment. It's still done by check, which is weird, probably because I got it a while ago.
No, I won't.
Little Sean shaved. Sean just got out of his meeting.
Here.
I need a child to take this to the mailbox. Where's your brother? Oh, he's right there. Take that to the mailbox, please. Oh, you probably shouldn't see the address. And put the flag up so the mail lady can get it. And now we're actually gonna start cleaning while Sean sends out reports. Look at this mountain of laundry I have to do. This guy, you could just go out the front door, it's open. You hear me? Trying to get something. What are you trying to get? Oh, a mask?
Yeah, because
Because of the air quality outside. Hold on, let me close this. Ta-da!
yeah, they recommend wearing a mask outside because the air quality's terrible.
And you're in that sensitive group.
Sure.
Yeah, you have asthma.
Oh, yeah.
You have asthma. Yes, you're in that sensitive group. So are you. You should be wearing a mask outside also.
Was a sensitive group to that.
Yeah.
The only difference is that I've learned how to tough through everything.
Yeah. Anyway, here's my mountain of laundry. And my mountain of dishes.
You're a mountain of a husband.
I don't want to do this. But it has to be done.
Sucks to suck.
Yeah. It does. See, it's 10 o'clock now. Our appointment's what, 11:30?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have an hour. Let's see if I can get this most of this done in an hour. What do you think?
We'll see.
Alright, we'll see. Alright, it is now 10:37. Most everything is done. Well, I have a little pile of dishes there. I'm waiting for the dishwasher. And little Sean has to clean the basement bathroom, but he's waiting for Sean to get out of a meeting. He's in a meeting right now downstairs. And Mount Laundry is down to, there's 3 baskets. There's another pile on the floor. So 4 loads. But after his meeting, we gotta head out and do all that stuff I told you guys earlier. Like go to the school administration building, go get Sky's phone, go to the chiropractor. Not in that order, because I don't know, because our appointment's at 11:30. So, and I know going to get his phone is going to take a minute. So we'll probably do the, I don't know how long the stuff, paperwork at the building is going to be either. Still got to get this guy's social security number. I don't know it. And honestly, I don't even know where his card is. I just get his number off of our taxes. So I'm going to sit down and relax while Sean's in his meeting because everything else is pretty much done. Just waiting on machines to be done. And Sean to be done with his meeting so the boys can go to the basement and do the stuff down there. Skylar just has to empty the trash down there. And Sean needs to do the bathroom down there. And he continuously eats the bacon that I made this morning. What's up, Sean? What's up? He shaved. He doesn't look like a hairy man beast anymore. My hair. This always sticks up and bothers me. That's why I always pin it down. Sean's like, stop doing that. Alright, I'm gonna watch something for a few minutes while he's in this meeting. Alright, Sean's done with his meeting, and now we're getting ready to head out, and I still never got Skylar's social security number. I need to go grab that. I keep forgetting.
So, I got out of my meeting just now, and now we gotta go to the chiropractor and There's a couple other places that we gotta hit. I did notify people that I was going to be out for just a bit, and we'll get everything all straightened out so that we don't have to do any rushing tomorrow. I am the one that's in charge of entertainment and electronics whenever we go on vacations, and so that's what I'll be doing later on today. I'm just making sure that we got everything that we possibly need. And not much else going on today after we get this done. The house is fairly well clean. We just have a couple small things to do, like dishes, which is Mary, and laundry, which is also Mary, because she doesn't get the intensive jobs, but she gets the jobs that are longer. Meow, you want outside? Well, too bad. And let's see, what else? You don't need a mask, bud. You'll be fine.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure, because all that air that you think that you're missing is going down through here. That mask is protecting you from nothing except for hot dogs being thrown in your face. And Mary hurt herself just by existing again. She just can't exist. Alright.
I forgot to tell you yesterday, I was moving the bins around and I squished my leg between two of them. Oh, it hurts so bad.
Tell her she's not allowed to hurt herself, and she purposefully does it, I swear. It's like telling somebody not to break their leg and they're just like trying to ram a forklift truck right into their leg. Alright, time to go.
Alright, we are home from doing all of our running around. We also stopped by Myers and got some stuff for the birds. Because I think my last bird feeder broke, that's why we got rid of it. But I got this one. So if squirrels step on it, it like closes this. And then I got this hanging one for the soot for the birds. I love watching the birds in the summer. And then Little Sean needed a funnel this morning, so I bought one of those. And what else did we get? Skylar got Mountain Dew Zero. And I got my chocolate drops. And we got a giant thing of birdseed, but that's outside on the back porch. What else is in here? On my phone. But now I'm going to have Little Sean empty the dishwasher so I can start the next load and then wash all the big stuff by hand. And then change the laundry around. And Sean's doing some more work because we just got home, so he's got work to do. And then we gotta get the grass mowed before we leave tomorrow afternoon. So basically, oh, and the floors, but that's his job. So as soon as he's done with his work, he can do the floors and help me with the bird food outside. You can't see your head. Alright, I got the bird stuff. Sean's at the window, or the door, trying to figure out where we're going to set it up outside. And somebody wants out.
Not just where, but also how.
Well, I was thinking, because we have those hooks in the garage still that you got a while ago, for this one right here, to hook it on the little treehouse board right there.
I don't think either one of us can actually reach that.
You have a ladder, don't you?
No.
What about my stool? Or a chair?
No.
I don't think it'll reach.
Trying to think of something that's closer to the house.
Oh. Well, this is really hurting my arm, so I'm going to set the camera down and all this stuff down. And go grab my shoes so I can go outside with it. Also, some little boy didn't go to bed last night like I told him to. So now he's sleeping on my couch. I'll be right back. Alrighty, you're coming with me. You're coming with me, and you're coming with me. Oof. Alright, we are now outside and my hair is all over the place. Set this right here right now. Alright, this is the giant bag of bird food. I just got basic wild bird food. It's like bugs or something all over the place. Or unless that's my hair. Sean's in the garage. Plants looks like they need water, maybe? They look okay. They'll probably be dead by the time we get back anyway. Oh, there's my husband. Way over there. Oh, he found something to put the bird thingy on. I forgot we had that. That's from the old owners. They had like a little light or something out there that we've never used, ever. We just gotta figure out how to get it off. Oh, you just take the these little things. Like pull them out, maybe?
It doesn't answer how we're gonna put the new one on. So.
That is the question. It is warm out today. The wire should fit through that little hole for this part. I don't know about the other one. You hear me? You can't get it?
I have to go get some tools.
Okay. You want me to leave this on the porch or leave it down here? Okay. Oop. But anyway, what I was thinking for the other one, for the one that holds the soot. Oh, hello birdie. Is that board right there that's holding the tire swing? Like put it up there or something. I don't know though. The boys never go into that treehouse. When we first moved here, Skylar was so excited about it. They've been in it like twice. And that's only because they had friends over that wanted to go up into it. Or it's Easter time and it's Easter egg hunts and we hide them up there. That's the only other time. You could have just went through the back. You could have just went through that back fence into the door. Don't have to walk all the way around.
But it didn't.
The power of the muscles. I wonder if that's a thing to keep like mosquitoes away or something. There we go. Whatever it was, it's garbage because we've never used it and just sits back there by the. It was back there by the fire pit.
I don't think that this is
Gonna work.
no.
What about the other thing? The soot? Let me go see. I'll go grab it. La, 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 la.
I think we're gonna have to stop out at that place to get one of those hangers.
Well, I thought you had a hook.
We got rid of it.
I thought you had a whole bunch of them. Bless you.
No, like that? No.
No. I'm saying I thought you had like these little S hooks, like
Oh.
extra ones that you could just hook on.
Yeah. That's my concern. So then this will be like this.
Gotcha.
You need one that comes out.
Gotcha.
One that's a little more sturdy than just...
That? Okay. Well,
Put it back up there.
the other.
Grab this, I'll toss this.
I want you to still put bird food into the other one and let it sit. Like even just sit it on the porch.
Oh, we can head out right now.
I still want bird food in this one at least. I got this little one right here. It says it's like a little store. Little fruit store. It's for birds. Alright. Ooh, it's got cobwebs all up in it. Okay, I'm gonna have Sean do that because I can't pick up the giant thing of bird food. I asked him if we were going anywhere else today and he said no. So I took my bra off because I don't like wearing bras. Now he's saying we're leaving again. Gotta get Sean to hold the cat, otherwise he's gonna come running. Jax, you cannot come outside. There are ticks. He is so mad at me. Huh?
You're a dumb cat.
He's not a dumb cat. He just wants to be outside because it's summertime. Whew. It's way cooler in here than it's outside. And those bitches. I just asked you if we were going anywhere else today, and you said no, so I took off my bra, and now you want to leave.
Oh no. Not that. He still hasn't said that he wants to fix his teeth yet, so I'm not worried about it. If he wants to stop sucking his thumb and he wants to take care of his feet, or his teeth, he'll let me know.
His feet?
Yeah, his feet.
Okay.
Just like when he wants help figuring out how to secure his future, he'll let me know. He might be 47 years old, but he'll let me know.
When he's ready.
Are you, Sean? Didn't we tell you to pick this game up earlier and put it somewhere?
We did not know. You might have, but we did not know. It's got this ramen game over there. Alright. I probably should make lunch since it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You want chicken nuggets?
Sure.
Alrighty. That's on my old car anyway. Hey, ready, we are back. We went to Magoo's, which is a pet outlet store. And we got this 5 feet feeder pole. We're gonna get 2 different poles, but this one has 2 hooks. So it can hold the bird food and the soot on the other side. But Sean says I have to put it together. Right? I did that because there's paperwork here that you probably shouldn't see. And Skylar wants to take this money to Disney, so I gotta go find them a fanny pack so he doesn't lose it. And Sean's doing the dishes now. Got home and he was still sleeping on the couch, but I was like, the dishes are cooled off now, so put them away. Stop messing with the knobs on the stove.
I can't help myself.
Also, chicken nuggets are almost done. I'm about to put this together. That scared me. This is the bottom, maybe? Maybe not. Got 2 more pieces.
It's 4 feet, just as tall as you.
It's 5 feet. It's actually taller than me. Can't even see it. Oh, can't even see it on the camera. All you can see is my neck to my knees. Still can't see it. You have to back up way further than that. It's up here. But I gotta get scissors or zip ties on that.
Put it between the fridge and that shoe shelf.
Hi, Jax. Don't be afraid of the giant pole. You're using that, my bad. Your fault.
Not my fault. Your fault.
That's what she said, my bad, your fault.
Your fault because you didn't take care of it when I told you to.
They were hot, so I couldn't touch them.
Should have burned your fingers.
They weren't that hot. Stop. Chicken nuggets are ready. I think this is the bottom.
No.
You don't think so? No, it's the top. I knew that.
And the hell's the purple lid?
What?
The hell's the purple lid tubs?
Probably in the refrigerator. Don't say how.
That is not a curse word.
It is depending on context.
Oh, see, it even has an arrow up.
It could be an arrow down.
I know curse words. That was not one of them.
But could act like you know the English language, as I said. It's a curse word depending on context.
In what context do you think it's a curse word?
Hey Google, in what context is hell a curse word?
Sorry, I don't understand.
That's in Spanish.
Hey Google,
There's screws on this.
hey Google, is hell a curse word?
Sorry, I don't have any information about that.
She don't know.
But I found something similar.
Oh, you
want
can
to
put
know this other
birdhouse on the top.
inappropriate?
See? That's what that's for. That's what these screws are for.
Just slide it in.
I can't reach it.
Why are you so short?
Maybe I can. Tippy toes. There we go.
Voila.
Aww.
Alright, all this.
Alright. Because I'm short.
Outside.
Where's the cat? So oh, he's on the fridge.
Won't be on the fridge for long. Puts the camera on.
Ready? Here he comes. Sky, grab the cat. Oh no, where'd he go?
Guys, grab up, Jack.
Grab Jax.
Why?
Sean, he's fine. You don't have to freak out about it.
Alright. Yeah, he wasn't on the
Oh, you're trying to get that out.
outside, yeah. He wasn't on the fridge for long, was he?
Look at that spider web.
Oh wow.
Sorry, Mr. Spider.
Alrighty.
Right here.
Sure. If you can get it in the ground. My feet are hot because I have no shoes on.
I thought that thing said 5 foot.
It did. It's taller than 5 foot, that's for sure. Alright. Now we gotta get the bird feed. Oh, I wonder if you can mount this on top, Sean.
I don't know.
My birdhouse that I have. Alright, let's grab the soot that, or the thing that's covered in soot. I got the handle covered in it now. Philip was sitting there melting. Here's this. I can't get the bird feed because it's too heavy. You want to take the bird sticker off of the side of that? The box? There says birds.
Bird's
Yeah.
choice.
Oh, is it just a decoration thing? The neighbors are outside laughing at something. Just chilling. I want some of that food in the birdhouse too. Until you put it in the garage for the week. Need some scissors? You think you got it?
I would love to think that I got it. But I don't.
I'll go grab some scissors. If Mr. Kitty Cat will let me in. Let's see.
I got it.
Oh. I was coming to get scissors, but Dad got it, so. Maybe. You sure? Looks like you're struggling there.
Hold that. Oh, butt neck.
He's being defeated by a bag of birdseed. Come on, you can do it. Strong man.
I just want to get this lip open and then I can just pour it.
Gotcha. There we go. All right. Did you get it?
If I can get the bird seed out from it, then yeah.
All right, now fill up the birdhouse. Skylar playing with Jax.
You can definitely put this on the top of it.
It came with screws,
Yeah,
so.
that's why.
All right. There's already birds circling. I can see him. There he is, the blue jay. I don't know if you seen it. Blue jay just flew right above into that tree. All right. Excuse the sky. Whew. It is hot out there.
Did you ever pull the chicken nuggets out?
No, I thought you were doing that. Sky, pull the chicken nuggets out. They're probably burnt now.
Yeah, probably perfect actually.
Not with your hand, please. With a mitt. You want me to get it or you got it?
I think I got it.
Don't burn yourself, please.
No, try not to.
I left these right here for you.
Where I put these?
On top of that, yep. Right there, perfect. Now get the other one. You can put the other one on top of the stove. And then close the oven. Good job. Now let them cool down a bit. Unless you want to scorch your mouth. Chicken nuggets are done.
Yeah.
These ones look perfect. These ones, they're alright. They're a little less than perfect. Also, my camera lens is crooked. There we go. I don't want to go back outside. It's too hot out there. What are you looking for, Sky? Are you going to call Cole and give him your new number?
I don't know who to call first, like Nicholas, Maddox, Damien.
Just text him first. You don't have to call him. You can just text him. He got a new phone now. He wants to call his friends from school.
You gotta come outside again.
Alright, hold on. I gotta hold the cat back first. Jax, no, 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 no. He
You
is.
gotta pick up that bird cage and put it up here.
Oh, and hold it. I don't know if I can reach.
You can, short one.
Oh, it's heavy.
I know you can.
I just stepped on something sticky. Now my sock's sticky. Gross.
Oh man.
This is gonna be funny because I'm not gonna be able to reach this.
You will.
I want to make sure it's centered. I do need to see. Although it'll take the paper off. I just thought you were going to drill holes first and then put them in, but why? When you just screw the screw in. Like I know what I'm doing, right?
It's not a crazy wood project, so I don't have to worry about drilling holes.
Well, you do have to worry about dropping screws.
Yep. Want to put that base one though of these poles in a little more.
I'll like push it down further into the ground
So if you could come over here
and hold that while you push it down.
and take these, just hold them there.
That's 5 feet. The squirrel's gonna be able to eat these ones. If you can get up that high. For sure you can though. Crooked. Skylar just landed on it.
There you go. And that'll be fun.
Cool.
If it falls, I'll get the hammer.
Now we wait for birds. Think they'll show up with me standing here?
Probably not.
Damn. I don't want to leave my camera out because it's hot. Watch the cat.
Get your butt up over here.
It's too hot out there, buddy. You don't want to be out there. Alright. Check back later to see if there are any birds out there. Now we're about to eat and cool off because it's freaking hot outside. Alright, it's the end of the night. I had to change because I was doing the rest of those dishes. Look, they're all done. Well, somebody had a glass of milk or a glass of something. But I think it's Kool-Aid. What they have? Kool-Aid. That's what they had. But, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I got water all down the side of myself. So now I'm actually starting to pack. I asked Skylar what he was wearing and he wants to, or like shoe wise, he wants to take his Heelys, which is fine, but you can't wear them in the park. So I got to bring the little hook to take the wheels out when we get there. And then his sandals are there. I'm currently packing Skylar's, ow, that hurt. Skylar's stuff, which is all right there on the bed. And after all his stuff gets packed, then I'll go to Sean's room and grab all his stuff. Let me see. Go grab I got a bunch of packing cubes in my closet. My closet's a mess because Skylar decided to get down my sewing kit and toppled everything onto the floor and never picked it up. So that was nice of him. That's all my camera equipment. Up there. Ow! That was my head. Got my Disneyland. Yeah, I got this at Disney World a couple years ago, 2 years ago. Got these packing cubes in here. I gotta figure out. Actually, I probably should fold everything and get everybody's stuff to figure out what goes where. Alright, I got piles. I got little Sean stuff there. Skylar stuff there. Sean stuff there, except for all of his pants are dirty. Still doing laundry. My stuff there. I still need underwear. Because all my underwear are dirty. Because I haven't been able to do laundry because I'm working all week. Normally I would come home and do a load. But this week I just didn't feel like it. So now I gotta wait for the laundry so I can do Sean's pile. The rest of Sean's pile and my pile. I probably should get him socks. His socks are clean. He's got a bunch of them. Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Probably should bring him extra socks because he likes to change his socks out very often when they're really sweaty. But I can actually start packing Sean and Skylar's stuff. And then when the rest of our stuff comes out of the laundry, I can pack our stuff. Oh, Sean needs a swimsuit. I always forget something. Oh, problem is which one? I guess this black one. I'll bring both. He's got 2 pair. He also has a pair of shorts in here. Maybe I should bring these 2. He never wears shorts, but just in case. He might want to this time. Doubt it, but you never know. Alright. And little Sean refuses to wear shorts over there. He's like, I just want pants. Like, it's going to be 90 degrees in California. But I packed both just in case he changes his mind, but we'll see. Now I'm going to start packing the boys' stuff. And I'll do all the toiletries in the morning because we're not leaving until tomorrow afternoon. So, alright, I got some of the packing done. Here's our carry-on bags. I got over here, this is Skylar's stuff in this packing cube, Sean's stuff in this packing cube. This is some extra stuff that didn't fit. These 3 things are Sky's, and this one's Sean's. I'm leaving it open just in case some of our stuff don't fit in our packing cubes. I got these magic bands when we went to Disney World, but I don't know if Disneyland uses them. So I'm going to take them just in case. The Star Wars one I think is Sean's. Little Sean. Big Sean got the Wreck-It Ralph one. I think Skylar's, I can't even reach it, is the Incredibles one. Look how tiny their wrists were back then. And then mine is in that box. Can you grab me that box? I can't reach it. And I want to walk around the bed.
I can't reach it either.
You're a liar. I got their special edition one when we went. Over here. With the castle on it. If it'll focus, probably not. The limited release. Magic band. Then we got some fanny packs for the boys to carry their phones in. Little Sean said he's not doing that. So, we'll see. I'm going to take my backpack purse and carry my phone and probably Sean's wallet and keys and phone because I'm afraid he's going to drop it on a ride somewhere. But me and Sean's clothes are still on the floor. There's mine. My address is on that package. My stuff, that's Sean's stuff, that's the package Brian wants to open. Brian wants us to open on day 200, which is my birthday.
Yep.
And I told him just a minute ago, because we're talking on Discord, that I was like, thanks for my birthday present. He's like, yeah, it wasn't supposed to be your birthday present. It just happened to work out like that. But yeah, I'm going to finish packing probably in the morning, because the rest of our clothes that we need to pack are in the dryer. And I just put them in there, and it's getting late. So what time is it? 8:15. I'm getting tired. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.